Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about Field Pulse tutorial. How to streamline your field service business. But first, what is Field Pulse? Field Pulse is an easy-to-use field service management software designed for small to mid-size service businesses like electrical, HVAC, landscaping, plumbing, and more. It helps you handle scheduling, dispatching, estimates, invoicing, customer management, and team communication, all from one app. Now first on setting up Field Pulse. Create your account or log in if you have one. Then set up your company information. Now step 2, add your team. Invite technicians, admins, sales reps. Then set different user roles and permissions. Step 3. Customize services and pricing. Define your service list, AC installation or electrical inspection, for example, and then add flat rate pricing or hourly rates. Now, managing jobs and scheduling. Step 1. Create a new job. Go to Jobs, then go to New Job. Enter customer details, job location, job description, and assign to a team member. Step 2. Dispatch and track technicians. Use the schedule view or calendar or list. See who's available and where they're scheduled. Dispatch jobs to field techs with a few clicks. Pro tip is use recurring jobs for maintenance contracts. Now on quoting and estimating. Quickly generate estimates and proposals using templates. Include service items, labors, materials, and discounts. Send estimates to customers via email or text for digital approval. Bonus, convert an approved estimate to a live job instantly. Now, invoicing and payments. Create invoices directly from jobs or quotes. Accept payments in the field via credit card and ACH bank transfer. Integrate with QuickBooks Online to sync all your invoices and payments automatically. Partial payments and deposit requests are supported too. Now on using the Field Pulse mobile app. View daily schedule and job info, clock in and out for time tracking, capture notes, photos, and customer signatures, create quotes, invoices, and collect payments on site, then real-time update between office and field teams. Offline mode, work without a connection and sync once back online. Now on CRM and customer management. Store all customer info like contact details, past jobs, payment history, and notes and attachment. Set follow-up reminders to never miss a sales opportunity. Now, on reporting and analytics. View reports for sales performance, technician productivity, revenue trade, then track open estimates, outstanding invoices, and job status at a glance. Now, some bonus features. First, inventory management. Track materials and parts usage. Second, custom forms and checklists. Create inspections forms or work checklists for field crews. Third, team messaging. Built-in chat for easy communication between field and office. And lastly, GPS tracking. Monitor technician locations and job check-ins. And that's basically it.